Well, pretty good transformation here. Got all that cleaned up. All ready for the power company to come in. Save some rocks. Got quite a pile of trees here. But cleaning this up was actually pretty amazing. I just used the gal and grabbed hold of all the branches and ripped them off, and I could pull more off. And the crazy thing is I can move this thing around as big as this tree is. Look at that. That's a bummer. I'll make it look better anyway. Not great, but better. Anyway, I just threw some stuff over here and over here, but I'm impressed that I broke those big limbs off. I know this thing's kind of easy to snap, but man, I bet I can pull this one off, that one, but that I can actually move that thing back and forth a little bit with it in the ground is impressive. How about that? Almost lifting the almost lift the whole darn tree up. Oh, she's doing it. Look at it. Look at that. Woohoo! That, my friends, is pretty impressive. Who says a little machine can't lift a big tree like this? Not all she'll do, but I gotta say, that's pretty good considering that thing comes up to my right almost to my chest. Now, can we snap the limb off? She wants to go. Too bad I'm not moving over. There you go. Boom. Mic drop.
Love that sound.
Well, we had a really productive day here the other day. We got Bubba juice. And look at that. 0, 0, 0. I don't know him anything yet. That'll change quickly. So we had that. And we got new windows in. That'll be nice. Not have that cold wind blow through there anymore. And to have some light coming through there. But we'll Let's see if we get to detect any animals here today. Anybody down here? You just never know. All right. Well, let's see if we got power. All right. Main on. Breaker to the signal outlet. Oh, look at that. GFI. And I got a little strip. Hey, you know what? It's dark now, but it won't be dark here much longer. Got some stringer lights. Nice new plug. Hey, look at that. We got electricity. All right. Set that down there for now. Run some stringer lights. See what this place looks like. And go from there. But I got to shore up this wall. Talked to Pat the other day too. So he wants me to add studs in between these two studs. And then he wants me to run cross bracing. I don't blame him. It's a lot of concrete. 11 yards. Full, very full cement truck. Full of concrete. So might as well get that ready today. And maybe get some windows in. We'll see. But man, it's 40 degrees. There's chilly. Hopefully it warms up. Well, now this is different. Kind of can see the steps. I don't know if I want to see the steps. But wow! We're like GE. We bring good things to light. We have light. So this is what it really looks like. A little bit of water there. That's been there for a while now, before we had this wall fixed. But it rained pretty good yesterday. No new water is in here, so I'm pretty happy. I'm bringing good things to light. I used to fix forklifts at GE at the light plant. And one of their plants, well, it was just a warehouse. They had like no light bulbs on in there. It was so dark and dingy and not in a nice neighborhood. I always thought, how ironic. A place that makes light bulbs cannot have lights on in their place. I was afraid to go there. It was spooky. All right. Let me figure out what I'm going to do next. Well, I hope that should work. Try to make Pat proud. So we got that all anchored into the concrete. Got a brace running off of the wall to this wall. So we got top, bottom bracing. All that goes up to the 6x6 that's running across there. Everything is shimmed there too. So this wall and this wall are all connected, even though we have all these crisscross braces running down through here. Still, Pat said put a 6x6. I even put a 4x4 down there just in case. Same thing, we kind of wedged it in there. It'll be all locked and wedged. I mean, that's a lot of weight, so we'll find out. All right. Well, show you what else we got done. Oh yeah, a couple of angle braces in here and one down here on the floor, just to keep the floor from shifting here. Although there's barely any concrete in there, it's going to be more like a purging effect. All right, let me unplug the lights and we'll run outside. Now, this is what it was like before we had lights. Spooky. Anyhow. We got a window. 1, 2. Didn't get the big one in yet. That's tomorrow's affair. But I got work to do on this one because the bottom is kind of rotted a little bit there. So I'll have to pop that trim, put new white trim on, and fix that bottom sill and fix that all that woodwork there. But over here, got our window in. Again, I'll have to put a little like 1x trim or something around the outside edge, and then trimming it with the white aluminum. And then over here, we got to shoot. If that doesn't work, I don't know what will. I'm not going to have a whole lot of rear clearance at the turn here, but I made it wider this time because we had a problem last time, barely fit. This time we got plenty of width. Should shoot it right in there. That still gives me enough access to be able to take some of this dirt as we're pouring the concrete up and throw it in underneath there and both sides. And hopefully that's enough of a slope. That's all I got. Push come to shove, I guess I could raise that up and throw another row of block on, get it even higher. I'll just do that. We'll see what Pat thinks in the morning. Go from there. All right, I will see you in the morning whenever we are ready to pour concrete. Okay. Can I get out now, please?
Please.
I've been good.
Please get out before we have our first skeleton in the wall.
Okay. No problem. I'm in. I mean, I'm out.
Get out. You are in. In is out, and out is in.
Out is the new in. Okay.